Carcinoma cervix is the fourth most common cancer in women worldwide and constitutes more than 6 lakh cases annually. Most cases are due to a persistent infection with HPV, that is human papilloma virus. The early warning symptoms of carcinoma cervix are irregular vaginal bleeding, bleeding after intercourse, persistent vaginal discharge which can sometimes be foul smelling, unexplained back pain or pelvic pain. It takes several years for carcinoma to develop after an initial HPV infection. Vaccination helps in preventing this HPV infection. Vaccination is approved by the Government of India recently and will soon be included in the Universal Immunization Schedule for all girls between 9 to 14 years of age. These girls will be given 2 doses of vaccine at 0 and 6 months. For those girls between 15 to 26 years, 3 doses of vaccine is recommended at 0, 2 and 6 months. Screening for cancer cervix is recommended once every 3 or 5 years based on age, risk factors or previous pap smear results. Screening is done by pap smear examination or HPV testing or both. Screening is a simple OPD based painless procedure which can be done easily. Pap test shows whether your cells are normal or abnormal. Cell changes can vary from mild to severe. Abnormal pap test and positive HPV infection doesn't necessarily mean you have cancer. It may indicate that you may develop cancer on a further date. In such instances, to remove these abnormal cells, procedures like LEEP, that is loop electrosurgical excision procedure, or cryosurgery or conization can be done. Remember, simple tests and office-based screening procedures can keep you healthy. Do visit your OBGYN regularly. Thank you.